She's already suspicious. She's going to find out.
She won't.
Don't understand why he would do this. He told me he loved me. He looked me in the eyes and he said those words. How could he just take them all back?
Oh, God, yeah, it just sounds like Oscar's going through something.
Was it something I did? Something I said?
Maybe. Maybe not. What I do know is you can't force Oscar to be with you. And this was his choice, so you need to decide. Look at me. You need to decide how you're going to deal with it.
What do you mean?
I mean, you can't turn the pain on yourself. Don't let this make you small or afraid. Don't get down on yourself. You let yourself cry a little or a lot, but then you stand back up and you keep moving.
I don't think I'm strong enough.
Jocelyn, you are strong. You're the epitome of strong. You are. You're a strong, beautiful young woman, and you're going to get through this. You're going to get through this, baby. Whatever's going on with Oscar has nothing to do with you. It isn't your fault.
Well, that's what he said, that it wasn't me. But that doesn't make me feel better.
I know.
And I know you're right that I have to find some way to deal with it. But I really can't see Oscar today, Mom.
You're going to have to see him eventually. But it doesn't have to be today.
Thank you.
You okay being here alone? I have plans that I can rearrange.
No, don't. The last thing I want to do is make you worry, so.
Yeah, that's the thing about being a parent. You never stop worrying. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
I didn't want to get your hopes up, okay? Not until I got more proof. And besides, to be real with you, I wasn't convinced that Valentine's intentions were pure.
I understand. Valentine is the master of mixed motives, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I truly believe he wanted to find my daughter, but he also wanted to change my mind about the divorce.
And that's exactly why I agreed to take the case. To protect your best interests.
What did you find?
Well, I was able to locate the man that Madeline used to broker your daughter's adoption. After talking with him, he was able to fill in some of the gaps. And then to Damien Spinelli, he was able to track down the money that changed hands and led us directly to Sasha Gilmore.
What? I mean, how did you...
Email at first, and then we spoke on the phone. And now so do you.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
Not yet. Is the boss around? No, she's in a meeting. Oh, good. That'll give us a chance to talk. About? I've been thinking that you've thrown yourself right back